From the Mantiques Network, how are you doing today? We have a really interesting, rare example here today. These are early 1900 Salesman sample beer trays. Would have been almost like a promotional sign, a tray that would have gone into location. The reason we're saying it's a Salesman sample is, if you notice, there's no name of any kind of brand of which he's drinking, what kind of beer it was, or the location which they would have added on later on. So back in the day, you had full-on artists doing these beautiful renderings that were available for some type of vintage advertising. It's in great shape, never been used before. So if this is something that you'd like to collect in terms of vintage advertising or Brewania in general, this is for
Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.